Welcome to IGCSE ICT, Chapter 20, Data Analysis. Task 20B. Create a spreadsheet to display the times table for any number you choose to enter. Print your spreadsheet, showing values and formulae. In this task, we shall be making use of four spreadsheet concepts. The first one is absolute referencing, the second is relative referencing, the third is the formula, and the fourth is replication of values. Here, we shall start by typing 2 on a different cell, then the times table will be on another cell because we don't want to combine 2 and times table on the same cell. Since we shall be making use of 2 to do our calculation by absolute referencing. Times table. Alright, now at this point I am going to type the value 1, the next one is 2, because I want times table to go up to 12 numbers, that is 2 times 1 times 2 times 3 up to 2 times 12. So I am going to highlight 1 and 2 together and replicate until I get up to 12. Now notice that automatically the replication will now give me values up to 12 because the first two numbers entered have a difference of 1. So the succeeding numbers should actually increment by 1, and Excel follows the pattern to increment while replicating. So at this point I am going to type my formula, and the first formula I'm going to type is equals, then the value of the cell holding the value 2. Okay, now this particular cell, because this particular value is meant to be constant, I am going to make it to be absolute so that it doesn't affect my calculation. So absolute referencing is applied by first placing the dollar sign before the cell column and also before the cell row. Alright, now you have it like this, and I can now multiply by 1. So placing my multiplication symbol, which is the asterisk, then reference 1. Alright, now equals, I will just press enter and it gives me this. Now I don't actually need to type the same formula on these cells all the way down to the cell for 12. So what I need is to actually replicate the formula across the rows downwards. So I replicate and automatically it will take the same formula. Now if you want to view the formula, you can come here to formulas and then show formulas. Now you can see that this particular formula has A1 to be constant at every given time, but each of the row gets relative referencing with this. So you can see there's a relative referencing of A4 here, there's a relative referencing of A3, A2, and all the way down with other cells. So this is typically how to actually perform multiplication of times table, or rather create a times table spreadsheet that can multiply two numbers. Now let's try another thing here. Regardless of the number I put here, because I have designed this to be a model, it will automatically calculate the times table for that. Now basically we started with 2 times table, we can change it to 3 times table, and the values here will correspond with the 3 times table. Like 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 12 is 36. So this is how to calculate it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in our next video.